All right, Commander, listen up. You're about to drop feet first into the Copperloo sector, and let me tell you, it is a mess out there. This briefing is going to be your lifeline, so pay attention because the fate of your entire faction is on your shoulders.
You've heard the adjutant. The time for prep is over. Terran, Protoss, Zerg. Everyone is clawing for control. This isn't just some small skirmish. This is a full-blown war for the whole sector.
So here's the game plan for this briefing. First, we'll cover your main objective. Then, how you get all your forces on the battlefield. After that, what you do on your turn. And finally, the best part, how you win this thing. Okay, let's get right to it. Section 1, your mission objective. First things first, what are you actually trying to accomplish out there? Now, everything we're about to cover is for what the game calls basic training, and trust me, you absolutely want to start here. It's designed to be fast, fun, and to get you right into the action. Think of it as your first combat drop before the all-out galactic war. Okay, lock this in, because this is the most important part. To win, you have to do two things. 1, be the first player to complete 3, count 'em, 3 achievements. But, and this is a huge but, you also have to be in control of your own starting base when you do it. If you lose that base, you can't win. I don't care if you have 10 achievements. If your home base is gone, it's game over for you. Got it? So you know what you need to do. Now let's talk about how you get set up for the fight. Section 2 is all about deployment procedures. Getting set up is super easy, just 5 quick steps. First, you'll find the setup chart in the manual that matches the number of players. It'll tell you exactly where to put your first units, the mineral fields, and the achievements. Second, just sort the faction cards by race. Third, everybody rolls a die. Highest roll gets first pick of their faction. Simple as that. Fourth, in turn order, you'll place your awesome hero unit into one of the territories you already control. And then step 5, the battle begins. All right, setup is done. Now for the real meat of the game. Section 3, orders of the day. This is the stuff you'll be doing every single turn. Every turn you take breaks down into 3 simple phases. Phase 1, deploy reinforcements. Get more units on the board. Phase 2, attack your enemies. Now, this is technically optional, but come on, this is risk. And finally, Phase 3, end your turn. This is when you'll maneuver some troops and draw a card. Just remember, deploy, attack, end. That's the rhythm of the war. So how many new troops do you get? Well, the math is pretty straightforward. You just count up all the territories you control, add the number of mineral fields you're sitting on, and then divide that total number by 3. And hey, even if you're getting hammered, you are always guaranteed a minimum of 3 units. On top of that, you can get huge bonuses for controlling entire planets, holding bases, and cashing in your faction cards. Okay, combat. This is what it's all about, right? The attacker can roll up to 3 dice. The defender gets to roll a max of 2. Then you just compare the highest dice against each other. But here is the single most important rule you need to burn into your brain. The defender wins all ties. That is huge. It means attacking is always a gamble, so you better pick your battles wisely. Now, if you manage to conquer at least 1 territory on your turn, you get a reward, a faction card. And these cards present you with a really tough strategic choice. You see, each card can be used in one of 2 ways. You can either save them up and trade in a set for a massive wave of reinforcements. Or you can use the card's unique, powerful faction ability for an immediate tactical advantage. So, more troops later, or a special power now. That decision can literally win or lose you the game. All right, we've covered setup, we've covered your turns. Now for the grand finale. Section 4, the path to victory. Let's talk about how you close this thing out and claim the sector for yourself. Remember, that magic number is 3 achievements, and they come in all different flavors. You could go for a silver achievement, maybe focusing on your economy by controlling 8 mineral fields, or you could go for total domination of a region, like controlling all 9 territories in the Ire Zone. And if you're feeling really aggressive, you can shoot for a gold achievement, like taking over 10 territories in a single brutal turn, or capturing 2 of your enemy's bases. So, to wrap it all up, you conquer territories, you earn those powerful faction cards, and you race to be the first to complete 3 of those achievements. But never ever take your eye off your home base. The first commander to get 3 achievements while still holding their base wins the whole shebang. That's it. You now have your orders. Your briefing is complete. The brutal Zerg, the resourceful Terran, and the powerful Protoss are all waiting for a leader. The only question left is, which one will you lead to galactic supremacy? Now get out there.